What's up, you guys? It's Maya and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to go from this to this. It's a super easy cropped sweatshirt. You can do this with just about anything, a jacket, a shirt, a sweatshirt. So if you want to see how I made it and how you can make it, then just keep watching. So first things first, you're going to lay out the sweatshirt and then go ahead and cut where you want your crop to be, but make sure you leave about an inch and a half so you can have some seam allowance. Okay, so next step, you're going to get some elastic, measure it around your waist, cut out how much you need. Then you're going to turn the sweatshirt inside out and then fold up the end piece. Make sure that the end piece is thick enough for the elastic to go through, and you're just going to do this all the way around the sweatshirt. So now that all the pins are in place, you're going to go ahead and sew it with a zigzag stitch. So you're not going to want to sew it all the way. You're going to leave a little space just like that. That way the elastic can go through. So to get the elastic through, I'm going to get a safety pin and clip it to the elastic and then just feed it through the sweatshirt. So once you have the other end of the elastic through, you're going to go ahead and just tie it. I tied mine in a double knot, that way it wouldn't come out. And then you're just going to tuck it underneath the fabric and then sew up that little space there, and then you are all done. Alright, you guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, if you like this video and you want to see more, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.